Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites and immediately acting. Make sure your account is level 40, patched, and has 5+ event tokens. You want the region matched to avoid lockouts because otherwise the drop table differs. Once done, equip teleport items and 2 resurrection potions for fast retries. This saves time when attempts fail. Then, enter the designated event zone, queue into the boss encounter, and choose the fast route waypoint. This gets you to the spawn window quickly, increasing attempt frequency and loot chances. You now execute the core farming loop. Form a 4-player group to hit the higher drop multiplier and shorten clear time. Start each run by clearing ad waves at the spawn timer's 0 mark, then shift focus to the boss around 45 seconds to 1 minute into the cycle. Make sure to coordinate damage debuffs and chain crowd control, because that prolongs the kill window and raises the weighted chance for the Azure Dust Black myth Wukong. Repeat efficiently and reset immediately after each run. You finish by confirming the drop in the loot screen and checking inventory or mailbox for delayed deliveries. Sometimes items appear post-run. If you hit an unlucky streak, no drop after roughly 20 runs, swap a single party member to refresh the party RNG pool, then continue. If problems persist, gather your run logs, timestamps, and any error messages, then report to support. This helps them investigate server-side issues. One last tip: rest between long sessions to keep
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.